Learn relationship idioms and phrases in English. Be head over heels. Meaning, to be completely or madly in love with someone. He's head over heels for her. They're head over heels in love. Pop the question. Meaning, to ask someone to marry you. If you like her, you should pop the question. She was shocked when he popped the question. Tie the knot. Meaning, to get married. They're finally tying the knot next summer. When are you two going to tie the knot? Get dumped. Meaning, to be left by a partner. He got dumped last week. Getting dumped can be very painful, but life goes on. Hit a rough patch. Meaning, to go through a difficult time in a relationship. We're hitting a rough patch, but I hope things get better. Every couple hits a rough patch sometimes. Have chemistry. Meaning, to feel a strong attraction or connection with someone. They have great chemistry together. You can see the chemistry between them. Love-hate relationship. Meaning, a mix of strong liking and disliking for someone. They have a love-hate relationship with each other. I have a love-hate relationship with social media. Have a falling out. Meaning, to argue and damage the relationship. They had a falling out and don't talk anymore. I hope we don't have a falling out over this. On the rocks. Meaning, a relationship that is in serious trouble. Their marriage is on the rocks. The friendship was on the rocks after the fight. A shoulder to cry on. Meaning, someone who listens and supports you when you're upset. She was my shoulder to cry on after the breakup. Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on sometimes. Have someone's back. Meaning, to support or protect someone, especially during difficult times. Good friends always have each other's backs. I'll always have your back, no matter what. Drift apart. Meaning, to slowly lose closeness in a relationship. We drifted apart after high school. They drifted apart after moving to different cities. Patch things up. Meaning, to repair a broken relationship. They patched things up after their fight. Let's patch things up and move forward. Love at first sight. Meaning, falling in love the first time you meet someone. It was love at first sight when they met. Do you believe in love at first sight? Get along with. Meaning, to have a good relationship. I really get along with my new neighbors. Do you get along with your sister? Hit it off. Meaning, to quickly become friends. We met at a party and hit it off right away. I really hit it off with my new coworker. On the same wavelength. Meaning, to share similar thoughts, ideas, or feelings with someone. Couples are happier when they're on the same wavelength. I get along with her so well because we're on the same wavelength. Go back a long way. Meaning, to have known someone for many years. She and I go back a long way, we were schoolmates. They go back a long way, since childhood. Go your separate ways. Meaning, to end a relationship or partnership. They went their separate ways after college. We decided to go our separate ways peacefully. Walk out on. Meaning, to suddenly leave someone, often abandoning responsibilities or a relationship. She felt hurt when he walked out on their relationship. Don't just walk out on your responsibilities. Kiss and make up. Meaning, to forgive and become friendly again. After the argument, they kissed and made up. Let's kiss and make up, it's not worth fighting. Cold shoulder. Meaning, a deliberate act of ignoring or being unfriendly to someone. She gave me the cold shoulder at the party. Why is he giving you the cold shoulder? Fair weather friend. Meaning, a friend who is only present during good times but disappears during difficulties. He turned out to be a fair weather friend. You need real friends, not fair weather ones. Wear your heart on your sleeve. Meaning, to show your emotions openly. He wears his heart on his sleeve. She's not afraid to wear her heart on her sleeve. Break someone's heart. Meaning, to deeply hurt someone emotionally, often in love or close relationships. He broke her heart when he left. You'll break his heart if you tell him the truth so harshly.